Hello friends, welcome to the Guju edition. In today's video, I'm going to provide you with the project file and materials for a trending Fendi edit. But for that, you will have to complete the target of 100 likes. As soon as 100 likes are completed, I will immediately give the link to the project file and its materials in the description. So let's watch that Fendi edit video.
Fendi. I got the Fendi.
This is its project file, and you can change everything in it according to your preferences. Complete the 100 likes quickly for the project file. Now let's meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.